Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear power window motor on this 2000 Lincoln Town Car, same as a 98 to 02. Tools you'll need are a flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a T20 Torx driver, a T30 Torx driver, and you'll most likely need a socket and ratchet style, putty knife, or a door panel clip tool. Okay, use a regular screwdriver, pry up on the front of this panel here, and that should come up and forward. Mine's been broken, so, and then underneath there is a little tab that you press to disconnect. Now you need a T20 Torx bit, and there are screws up underneath here. And the screws in this were T20, although your car could vary, it could have Phillips head screws in it. Okay, then this pulls out. And then there are Phillips head screws in behind here. Phillips head screw in behind here. Okay, and then right in here, you'll see a little slot in the door panel carpet, and there should be a Phillips head screw right in there. Might be easy just to remove your lock knob. Use just a household putty knife. Put it in behind here. Go until I can't go. Okay, and pop that. Oh, out comes a frog. That's interesting. Must have been some passenger's toy. Okay. Do the same thing right here in the front. Okay. There are some more clips in the middle. Panel comes off, and there is a little harness here that you just pry up, disconnect, and then there's your panel off. You can see here this car's already had some work done to it, so somebody's already cut the water shield down, which is fine. Here's your lead. Okay, lift up and pull out. And there are 3 T30 Torx screws that hold the window motor in. There's the 3 of them, one up top, middle, and then the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to use a T30 Torx Driver with a ratchet and extension. Okay, I'm going to speed up. You do remove the top 2 screws and you just loosen the bottom one, as you'll see. Okay, this one, the bottom one, you only need to loosen. Okay, once you have those bolts undone, you reach in. Okay, I'm feeding my, so over here, I'm feeding my harness in. Okay, and I'm going to turn my motor a little bit counterclockwise and then pull the motor side through. Okay, like that. Okay, now you can see there's the bolt still on there. So I'll remove that. Now you want to reach in here, and as I pull this out you can see there's some cable. Okay, you want to pry that wheel back in. You don't want that to pull out of there. Okay, I just keep prying on different clock positions of that gear. So eventually that comes off and my motor can come out. Okay, now to get that back in, pull your gear assembly right out like that. Okay, put the motor down in. Switch hands here. Okay, so put the motor down in. Insert it into the gear. Okay. Now you want to start this screw here. Just kind of move it around until it gets going in there. Tighten it up some. Okay, now let the motor go in, and then get the motor so you can look through this bottom hole. You can see that screw come up and pull it kind of into place. Okay, you see the other hole. So start your other two screws. Before you tighten anything up, bring your lead out, make sure it's all nice and free, and we can reconnect it. And we can tighten up these bolts. Okay, we'll fast forward through tightening those up. You want to make sure they're nice and firm. They don't have to be too tight though. Okay, just to test, let's plug our window back in. Okay, just for the sake of keeping the video somewhat short, I'm going to fast forward through putting the door panel back together. If you wanted to see this in regular speed, just check out our other videos for the Lincoln Town Car rear door panel removal and installation. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneaauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.